The Director for Institutional Care Division of the Ghana Health Service, Lawrence Oforibuedu, has advised Ghanaians to constantly conduct a comprehensive eyesight examination to prevent or treat eye-related problems on time. He made this known at this year's World Eye Care Day celebration organized here in Accra.
Globally, at least 2.2 billion people are visually impaired. In Ghana, 1 million Ghanaians suffer eyesight problems causing reduction in economic activity. These are as a result of glaucoma, cataract, and posterior. The general public is appealing to the government and the health practitioners to raise awareness of eye health care service among individuals, families, and communities. At the celebration of this year's World Eye Day, a representative from the National Eye Care Unit, Honameto Apeke, mentioned the causes of the eye problems and urged the general public to get their eyes tested.
And the WHO has actually, the values that you must look at. They has a target. So, for instance, about 85% of your cases must be good, and then you make room for about, and then the 5%. But that will depend on the condition that the patient comes with. For instance, if the person has cataract and also has glaucoma, and this glaucoma is in an advanced stage, you may have a perfect cataract surgery, but the outcome will not be good because there is an underlying condition, glaucoma, or the person has diabetes and he has diabetic retinopathy. So after removing the cataract, you go and meet the big man there facing you in the face. So now the outcome will not be good. And for those who are afraid to go, sometimes it's just a misinformation. Let people know that the services are available, and then once people know that when they go for the surgeries, they will come out smiling.
The head of the eye care unit of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. James Addy, said the government is making sure eye care centers are operated in the country and urged everyone to contribute to this by raising awareness of eye health service.
That is why we think that the government should collaborate with the NGOs, and especially the NGOs in eye care, to be able to help the government to achieve all the targets that they've set for themselves in order to reduce blindness and visual impairment in the country. Supports the NGOs first and foremost when it comes to considering the tax exemption for bringing in consumables that will be used to cure blindness in the country. From the statistics that have been done at the national level, we know that 0.74% of Ghanaians are blind. And then again, more than 50%, almost 55% of Ghanaians are blind from cataract. And that is one area that Himalayan Cataract Project, or ACP Cure Blindness, is focusing on. If we are able to gather all our resources with the support of government to be able to even restore sight to this over 50% of people who are blind in the country, then that would have gone a long way to achieve the reduction of blindness in the country. And of course, once the sites are restored, these people can go back to their work. Those children that are supporting the blind people can go back to school, and productivity will increase.
Celebrating this year's World Eye Day under the theme, Love Your Eyes, is to ensure that everyone has access to good eye health care.